The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coinbase with the ticker symbol COIN. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for Coin, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are wondering, why are we seeing a rally take place now versus how come we didn't do that in the past? Well, we're doing a rally right now just because we were super low, and it looks like we're seeing a lot of signs of weakness for the bears and strength for the bulls. So let's go over the chart and analyze the price. So it looks like there was resistance right around this $80 level, maybe even a little bit lower, and there was strong support at the 46. So basically prices were range bound even after the break. You can see there was a big blast out of this range, but prices cannot go any further because we just doubled it. You can see this is about doubling the range right here, and that met the top of the range. Prices fell back inside the range, and then a breakout on the top side can lead to a breakout on the bottom side. That's exactly what we got. So basically prices were just ranging. Break on the top leads to a break on the bottom. We finally got the break on the bottom. Prices had a little double bottom right over here at this $32 level, and now we're seeing a rally take place, and now prices are back inside of the range. You can see the close on Thursday and Friday, prices are back inside this level, so that's a good sign for the bulls. It means it's showing some strength, because previously, if you look at that price level, prices got rejected from here. You see that we did break the range right over here, we came back up, and then we went down because we got rejected. Then we try to go up again. So 2 times prices try to go up and failed. If the market does something twice and fails, most likely do the opposite. And we went down. Now we just shot right through it, like the level was even there. So that shows strength for the bulls. Also, there is this micro uptrend channel in play, so we could continue to move higher inside this little uptrend channel. So basically it's looking pretty bullish for Coin, even though it is a very risky stock, and it follows Bitcoin a lot because I believe the company is heavily invested in Bitcoin. That's all they do, cryptocurrency. So if Bitcoin goes up, cryptocurrency goes up, Coin should go up as well. So right now, where am I looking for targets? I'm looking for this level right here, this breakout point. You can see how strong it was in the past, and that's right at the 61. You can see how many times prices were finding support from it, and then prices finally broke it. So it looks like we're going to come back to test that level at the 61.55. And if we are really bullish, if we break this level like we did over here, then we could reach the highs of the range. We'll have to wait and see what it does at this level. But as right now, it does look pretty good. Usually, 2 breaks and we came back inside the range. And if we do a 3rd break, that one could be successful and lead to higher prices. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, it's looking pretty good for Coin. This downtrend channel is also played out. So you can see this was the downtrend channel. We had a break of it and a couple legs down to a new low. And even if I extend it, you still see that we had a little break right over here and a retest of the low. So even if you do it like that, it looks pretty good. But I like the other one better. I feel like we get more touches like that, and prices were moving at that angle. So either way, how you look at it, it looks pretty good for the bulls, at least in the short term. And I'm looking for higher prices, looking for that 61.31, and then the highs of the range at the 80. Would I be entering right now? I mean, not really, because it's a little extended, but sometimes when you see moves like this, it can stay overextended for a while. I don't know if I can show you guys on the chart, so maybe something back over here on the chart. So you can see how prices like to be near this 21 bar EMA, but this whole time for like several weeks, prices were away from it. So we could do the same thing right over here. So sometimes we don't have to be coming back to it all the time. We could just stay away from it for a while, and that could be it in this situation because we were so low and we had that breakout that failed. So looking pretty good for Coin on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart to see if we find any more clues. Here's a weekly chart for Coin. Basically, you know, it was trading at one point at the 427 level, so this could be a 10x stock. Maybe not. I mean, technically it is possible because there's traders who have their stops right up here, and if the market likes to trap and, you know, take people's money, there's a good chance it could come up there maybe in the future. We'll have to wait and see. But basically, you know, we had this sell-off right here, and I believe this big downtrend channel is played out. Like I showed you guys the little one inside that range. This is the bigger one, and you know, this fits against the price action pretty good. Even if I, you know, drag it shallower and shallower, you know, we still have that break. So we have the break right here. Prices made 2 legs down to new low, not 2 perfect legs. It was close enough. The second leg wasn't as large as the first one, but that shows signs of strength for the bulls because we cannot reach that $20 target. Prices stopped here, so shows a little bit of signs of weakness for the bears, strength for the bulls. You can see that we are approaching the EMA. In the past, prices did get rejected from it multiple times, and we haven't been above it since November of or actually 2 years ago, November of 2021. So maybe there's a good chance we get above it. We're not going to stay below it forever. So there's a good chance, especially now, that we get back above it. So I'm looking for that $61 target, $61 target, and maybe the highs of the range around that $80 level. So coin looking pretty bullish. You can see how, if I put a horizontal line at this low point in that downtrend, you can see that we cannot go that much lower because, you know, when you have a downtrend, we're making lower lows and lower highs. So when a low is made but barely past the previous one, you know, that shows strength because now it looks like the trend could be reversing. So that's what it looks like right now. So, you know, I'm not saying coin has bottomed. I don't like to pick tops and bottoms, especially because, you know, we don't really have a lot of price to work with. But, you know, there's a good chance for that being a bottom. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, in the short term, it does look bullish in my eyes. So that's everything I have for coin on the daily and weekly chart. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time and bye.